starting around the 7th of May 2023 most certainly spell in every practical sense. Token by and large is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.06% in absolute most recent 1 hour in a kind of significant manner. Spell essentially has an exceptionally complete market cap of $70,113,677 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,596,998, which explicitly is genuinely huge. This sort of makes explicitly Spell token positioning at 325 in the digital currency market in a genuinely enormous manner. On the off chance that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Spell token cost expectation end of 2023, what will in a real sense Spell commonly token explicitly be really worth in 2023 in a significant manner? Is Spell exceptionally token a kind of wise venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2023, or so they really thought? Will Spell cost certainly outperform its unsurpassed high, which in every way that really matters is very critical. These truly are basically Spell truly token cost expectations for Spell's future in an extremely large manner. Spell truly token value forecast 2023. As per the Spell token estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Spell cost especially is supposed to cross a sort of normal value level of $0. The normal in every practical sense, least value worth of by and large Spell kind of token toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to truly be $0, which especially is genuinely critical. Besides, by and large Spell can in a real sense arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $0, which all things considered is very critical. Spell truly token value conjecture May 2023 the truly normal cost of Spell fundamentally token could explicitly go to $0 the finish of May 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Spell could for the most part be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0 the extremely least expected cost of $0, or so they explicitly thought. Spell value gauge June 2023. Concerning June 2023, all things considered, Spell really token truly is supposed to by and large arrive at a very least value worth of $0 in especially huge manner. The Spell cost could generally arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $0 the truly normal cost around $0, or so they by and large thought. Spell pretty symbolic value estimate July 2023. In July 2023 the cost of by and large Spell kind of token truly is supposed to basically be at around an especially least of $0, showing how especially Spell basically has an in every practical sense complete market cap of $70,113,677 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,596,998, which essentially is very huge. Spell truly token cost can in a real sense arrive at an especially limit of $0 the very normal cost of $0 USD, or so they thought. Spell value gauge August 2023. In August 2023 the cost of especially Spell exceptionally token in a real sense is determined to generally be at around a really least worth of $0 in unpretentious manner. The Spell token value worth can arrive at an exceptionally limit of $0 the in every way that really matters. Normal exchanging worth of $0 USD. So these fundamentally are particularly Spell genuinely token cost expectations for Spell's future. Spell extremely token value estimate September 2023 the exceptionally normal cost of sort of Spell essentially token could fundamentally go to $0 the finish of September 2023. In opposition to mainstream thinking, Spell could basically be exchanging around a kind of greatest worth of $0 the very least expected cost of $0. Spell commonly token value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023 the cost of especially Spell pretty token is supposed to basically be at around at least $0, which is genuinely critical. Spell exceptionally token cost can really arrive at an extremely limit of $0 the by and large normal cost of $0 USD, showing how this in a real sense makes fundamentally Spell sort of token kind of positioning at 325 in the digital money market, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell sort of token value expectation November 2023. The cost of really Spell genuinely token for the most part is truly anticipated to by and large reach at a very least worth of $0 November 2023, or so they explicitly thought. Spell certainly token value expectation December 2023. The cost for sort of Spell especially token in December 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0, in opposition to mainstream thinking. While the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0 in unobtrusive manner. Spell fundamentally token past value examination in the precise beyond 24 hours. The crypto essentially has been most certainly diminished by 0.08% in its in every practical sense. Current worth, which basically is genuinely critical. Assuming we for the most part look at the fundamentally current market cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap is likewise down in a kind of significant manner. Spell especially token is confronting a quite tough time jumping aboard with most certainly other crypto coins, which in a real sense is very huge. The spell for the most part is down to nearly 4.61% over the most recent 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. The coin really is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for genuinely past sort of couple of days. The coin could basically have areas of strength for pretty yet. We don't generally imagine that it would a productive resource in every practical sense, transient amazingly. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of generally spell especially diminished by 17.888%, dispensing with an astounding really normal amount of $0 its ongoing worth, showing how as per the spell especially token gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the spell cost is supposed to for the most part cross a normal value level of $0. The normal least value worth of in a real sense spell in every way that really matters. Token toward the finish of the especially current year ought to explicitly be $0, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a sort of good explicitly purchase a potential open door for most certainly fast speculation, really in spite of mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 8.16%, and the cost especially circled from an all things considered, least sort of normal cost of $0 essentially greatest kind of normal cost of $0 the genuinely beyond 90 days. Or so they in a real sense thought. In most recent 4 months explicitly spell pretty token in every way that really matters, has shown a developing pattern in a sort of huge manner. In this way, we believe that comparable pieces of the market in every practical sense were very famous at that period, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking, as indicated by the especially the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of especially spell truly token in a real sense is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost in an unobtrusive manner. The coin generally is up by 17.26% with the especially most extreme certainly normal cost of the coin in a real sense was around $0. The by and large least beautiful typical cost of explicitly was around $0. Truly beyond 4 months, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Spell commonly token value estimate 2023 FAQs. What will generally be spell commonly token genuinely worth in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner? The spell value sort of is estimated to arrive at a by and large greatest degree of $0 for the most part least cost of $0 the finish of 2023, or so they really thought. Does truly spell fundamentally token sort of have a future, or so they essentially thought? With regards to cost, basically spell pretty token essentially has an extraordinary in every way that really matters potential to arrive at